Hi, it's VIP Kid Teacher John here, and today I want to talk to you about using ManyCam face accessories to enhance your VIP Kid classroom. Alright, so you've got ManyCam installed on your computer, you're ready to use it in the classroom, you've got your camera set up, and now how can I use face accessories to help me grab student attention, impress parents, and make the overall classroom experience more positive? Well, I want to show you how to download face accessories. The same process applies for overlays, for objects. So if you learn how to do face accessories, you'll be ready to go for all of the effects in the ManyCam effects tab over here. Alright, so you can see I am going here to face accessories, and now when I pull this up, you can see all the face accessories that I've already downloaded for ManyCam use. Alright, pretty cool, right? Well, what if I don't have any of these yet? How do I get them? Well, if you scroll all the way down, there's a little button that says Get More. Click that and watch. Now it's going to open a browser up for you, but just a moment, I'll show you how you download these. I'm going to pull my, here we go, we're on the ManyCam website, and now we can scroll down and take a look at all the available masks. Many of the masks you see I already have, so I'm going to just try to find one that I don't have, so you can see me import a brand new mask. And look at all these cool ideas. Oh, there we go. Let's get Darth Vader. I bet I teach some students that are Star Wars fans. Alright, so that's downloading, and there it goes. Now, I can go ahead and close my browser. I'm back here. Now it is this simple. All I have to do, wherever I downloaded that face accessory, I'm going to drag it now. Okay, you see it on screen here. Drag it to the face accessories area here on ManyCam. Now you see it says copy, and now I simply release. Oh, there's Ultraman. Alright, so now let me scroll up. These are organized alphabetically, so let me go find, oh, look, there's Darth Vader. So now I'm like, Long Zedong, I am your father. And you probably can imagine, if you're not using face accessories with ManyCam already, just how fun they are in the classroom. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. I'm going to have some more ManyCam VIP Kid content coming out, so hit subscribe to keep up to date on those videos. I appreciate you watching. Happy teaching!